Okay, hi guys, welcome to another episode, and this is a rather momentous occasion because I'm going to be starting my XK120 that you see in the background there. I've been working on it all winter, and I'm going to be starting the engine for almost the first time. So let's get started, see how it goes. So it started right up. Sounds pretty good. It's got good oil pressure. That's good. It's got a wonderful smooth idle. Now, the previous owner rebuilt this with a big valve head. Actually, it was rebuilt by XK's Unlimited. And also the flywheel was really machined down. So it's a steel flywheel, but it was cut very heavily on the backside. And it seems to really have better throttle response than some other XK engines that I've worked on. Engine's only been running total for maybe 10 minutes. So yeah, it sounds very good. The oil pressure at idle is 50. Okay, so I'm very happy, and I hope that was a bit of a fun watch for you guys. Maybe I'll show you some of the other progress on the car as things progress. There's a lot to do, as always, but now there's one less thing. Well, now we do have a leak. The heater valve is steaming, so things are not done yet. The steaming heater valve. Could be one of the hoses too. I'm not getting near it till it cools down. Alright, signing off for real this time.